Welcome. Discover legitimate work from home jobs, side hustles, and online earning opportunities. Subscribe and start earning from home.
So hi guys, for today's video guys ay may i-share ako sa inyo na pwedeng pagkakitaan ng mga websites. So, ang trabaho mo dito ay bilang isang uh, ano ba yan, user test. Ayan, user tester. Ano ba? Yung gagawin mo lang dito is you have to test functional software or ano ba, yung navigating a website or um, marami pa. So, huwag na natin patagalin guys. So, ito una is si UTest. So, si UTest guys is a platform, professional crowdsource, functional software testing hunt for bugs and glitches apps and verify software and updates across different real devices. So, ito ay mag-range ng um, yung salary nila to $50 to $500 per month. So, we can search in Google UTest income. I'm sorry, income. So, ito. Ayan, $50 to $500 per month as time side hustle depending on location, activities, and bug hunting skills. And so, approve bugs paid based on the severity and value defined by the client. Test cases fixed payout per successful executive test script, bonuses, extra reward for high priority specialist testing cycles. And so the payment method withdrawals. Okay, so the payment method withdrawals processed by a Payoneer or PayPal or direct bank transfer through Wise. So, second naman is Userletics. Userletics. So, so this is the website. So, user testing at AI speed. Hindi na natin bubuksan yung iba. So, ano dito guys is complete remote UX research tasks, card sorting, or qualitative quantitative evaluation on this desktop and mobile platform while recording your feedback. So, yung user-limited income, supplement side hustle, earning per test to $5 to $90 per test. So, via PayPal. So, search natin Userletics income. Ito, Userletics is flexible side hustle that pays $5 to $90 per test session depending on the length and type of the project. So it is not a full-time job and earnings vary based on test availability and demographics. So pay per test $5 to $10 short unmoderated tests, 20 to 30 minutes up to $90 per longer moderated session. So payment paid automatically via PayPal. Payment schedule every 15 days after the client approved the test. Test frequency highly variable. Many users report waiting weeks or months between Test invitation because selection depends on specific client's demographic. And our next naman is user feel. User feel. So, ayan. So, ito yung ano nila. So, testing that clicks, see where you get stuck. So, you can sign up for free. Record your screen and voice while navigating a website or app. Complete specific scenarios. Click finding an items and checking out and voice your thoughts aloud to test user friendliness. So user fill income depends on the test length. So ano naman natin, yung user fill income. So search natin kasi para makita nyo kung magkano. User field tester earns income per completed usability test based on the test duration ranging from $3 to $30 per assignment. Payouts processed by a user field and typically sent user digital wallet within a week. So payout rates by test length. So 5 minutes test $3, 20-minute test $10, 40 minutes test $20, and 60-minute test $30. So earning limitation and data inconsistent availability work depends entirely demographic, matches an active client's project, meaning you may receive multiple tests or go long period with none. So withdrawal methods funds can be withdrawn through PayPal and bank transfer depending on your country. So, ayun lang. Yun lang yung ano ko sa user feel. And our next is Testbird. So Testbird. Okay, this is Testbird. So dito is explore the digital products, website, games, or smart devices to find technical bugs and provide structured users experience feedback. So yung earn natin dito is um, 10 euro to 50 euro per test or per completed project depending on the specific product. So, medyo matagal yung loading yung aking Ayan. So, ito, you can do your own research naman for more information about this product. I did not say na guarantee talaga na sahod agad kayo dito. And you can do your own research para malaman nyo talaga kung totoo at marami pa kayong malalaman regarding those website na shinare ko. So, Testbird income. So, income on Testbird varies based on test availability and performance, typically paying $10 to $50 per usability test and $1 to $5 per bug found. So it is flexible side gig rather than steady job because test invitation are unpredictably. So usability tests pay between $10 to $50 per completed depending uh, on the project. Bug testing, entry bonus, so key limitation, inconsistent work, unpaid time. So time spent searching for bugs without success yield no financial return. Invitation depends on matching your specific device. Profiles meaning work is not guaranteed daily or weekly. So those are the company. Una is user field, then userlytics, and ano pa? UTest, and then next is testbird. So those 4 website, you can check their website and try to explore or research on your own para hindi naman kayo mag-waste ng oras nyo. I'm just sharing opportunities lang, those platform. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel and like and share. So for more videos and income about work from home job. So yun lang. Thank you and see you on my next video.